Bonjour, comment ça va? So dear students, today we are going to learn about les transports. Okay, so here we are going to learn various transports, and we will see the images and learn the pronunciation about pronunciation of that particular word and the vocabulary, of course. Okay, so the first one is regardez l'image. Regardez l'image. C'est camionnette. Okay, regard en camionnette. So I'm using the word en, which is fixed when we are using it in a sentence. I'll let you know how to make sentence as well. So can you see this picture? This is the transport, which we call it in French camionnette. Camionnette. Okay, so in this, how we can use it in a particular sentence. So this camionnette is used to deliver something. Okay, maybe it's like to deliver some parcel or something else. Okay, let's learn how to make sentence with this. Then we will use this like en camionnette. Okay, so here it's not typing. Okay, fine, now it's okay. Il livre. Okay, now what is livre? This is not the livre word, it's a verb. So when you want to say deliver something, just for example Uber delivery. Okay, so we say he delivered this to me. Leave is a verb. How we come to know? Just make sure that when there is a subject, see il. Okay, so il is a subject here, right? And immediate after il is my verb. So of course il, after subject there is a verb, so leave is a verb. So don't confuse yourself that the spellings are the same, but the noun livre is always followed by an article like un livre, le livre, like that. Okay, il livre. Now he delivers. What he delivers? Il livre les colis. Colis is like your parcels, whatever gifts, whatever you want to send, that is colis. Il livre les colis en camionnette. So here you will not, while making the sentence, don't use like il livre les colis camionnette. We will use the preposition en. Camionnette, il y a the n. Okay, camionnette. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, just a second. So il livre les colis, il livre les colis en camionnette. Okay, let's move to the second one. Regardez, qu'est-ce que c'est? So some of the students might know this. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un bateau. So how you will say the bateau? Okay, c'est un bateau. Avec bateau aussi, on va utiliser en. Okay, so when you want the sentence with it, we will use en bateau. Okay, so en bateau, let's make the sentence. Par exemple, ici on va utiliser je voyage en bateau. D'accord? Je voyage en bateau. Okay, je voyage en bateau. Right? The next one is, move to the next. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Right? That is known as camion. Okay, camion. Okay, we will use it camion. The sentence we can use les marchandises arrivent en camion. Right? So les marchandises, ça veut dire goods. For example, in this, the refrigerator or something big goods. Okay, we deliver from one place to another place. Les marchandises, goods arrive en camion. So here basically the meaning is by camion, right? But we will use en camion. It is fixed. With camion, on va utiliser en. Okay. Next word, that is this pic. Qu'est-ce que c'est? That is very easy. The students must know this. Voiture. Yes, you are correct. C'est une voiture. Okay. C'est une voiture. Okay. Avec ça aussi, on va utiliser en voiture. En voiture. Okay. Par exemple, je vais au collège. Okay. So here I will use E with accent grave. So I told you in my every video, I always tell you in my every video, accents are very important. See, collège. So we will not type randomly. These are very important. This accent with E tilted to this side, this is known as accent grave. Okay, collège. Je vais au collège en voiture. So I go to college by voiture, by car, and even you can add more things like tous les jours, daily, right? Tous les jours. Okay, so en voiture, right? The next one is regardez, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un avion. D'accord? And en avion, bien sûr, we will use en preposition. And okay, je vais au Canada. Okay, so je vais au Canada. How? En avion. Okay, je vais au Canada en avion. Okay, let's see this picture. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un vélo. Okay. C'est un vélo, right? Here I will use this accent aigu. C'est un vélo, okay? And with it we use the preposition a. So it's different. A moto, a vélo, a vélo, okay? So you can make the sentence like je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école à vélo. Okay. So I go to school by cycle. Je vais à l'école à vélo. Okay, à vélo. And then the next one is so we go to school on foot as well, right? So what we will use here? P. So when you go on foot, we use P. Okay, right? So here you can see the students are going to school. Okay, and that is, so we go. Je vais is for the singular. So there are three people, they are saying by themselves, nous allons à l'école. L'école is school, okay? L'école à pied. Okay? À pied. Right? So nous allons à l'école à pied. Okay? Let's revise one more time. See? En camionnette, en bateau, à moto, en camion, en voiture, en avion, à vélo et à pied. Okay? So you can make different sentences. Let's see. if you want to say we go to office by bus. Okay, so there are many transport which I didn't use by the pictures because they are the same like in English. For example, bus or bus. Okay, so nous allons au bureau. How? Like nous allons au bureau or bus. So how do you go to your office? Bureau is office or bus, right? For example, there is a train. That also you know, train same. So you can understand what is train. So nous allons au bureau or train. So that same we can use, nous allons au bureau or train. Okay, then en, tramway. These are the similar words we can learn in English as well. Okay, even you can like make the sentence. Let's see. Il part en train demain. Okay, so il part en train demain. What it means? They are going to leave by train tomorrow. So there are many sentences you can make by using these transport. And if you like after understanding this chapter or watching this video, I just request you to make some sentences or phrases. Which transport do you use to go to the office, to go to the school, or to go to visit any city? Okay, anything. So make sentences in the comment box. I will just check it. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much. Please subscribe, share, like and comment as well. Thank you. Au revoir.